Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. So, the second chapter of your syllabus, Know Your Computer. Let's learn about how the computer functions. I know you all have seen the computer system either in your home or in the computer lab of the school. As you can see in this picture, there are the various parts of the computer like the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, the speaker, the CPU, and the printer. These parts are all assembled together and called the computer system. Out of them, some of them are the input devices and some are output devices, whereas the CPU is called the processing unit of the computer. As you can see in this picture, these are the functional units of the computer. The picture shows you how the computer functions. So let's learn how the computer actually functions. The input unit of the computer is a part which is used to give data to the computer, which needs further processing. Children, can you tell me about some of the input devices? Yes, you are correct. The keyboard, the mouse, the scanner are some of the input devices of the computer. Next comes the CPU. The CPU is also called the brain of the computer. The full form of CPU, as you all know, is Central Processing Unit. The CPU comprises of the control unit, the ALU or the arithmetic and logic unit, and the memory unit. The memory unit that you can see inside the CPU is the primary memory of the computer. Yes, you are correct. As you have learnt in class 5, the primary memory of the computer is the volatile memory of the computer, or you can say that it stores data temporarily. Yes. Now, what happens when we give input to the computer? When we give input to the computer, it sends the data to the CPU. The control unit receives the data, and if there is something to be evaluated, that means if there is some arithmetical or logical operation to be done, then the control unit sends the data to the arithmetic and logical unit. After processing, the data is sent to the memory unit, where it is stored temporarily. Then the data is sent on request by the output unit to the output device, from where the user receives the data. Do you all remember an option called File, where we have another option called Save? So what happens to the data actually when you save it? When you save your data, it moves to the secondary storage unit of the computer, or you can also say that it is the secondary memory of the computer, also called the permanent memory of the computer. The computer system stores the data permanently in the secondary storage device. Then, on demand by the output unit, it delivers the data to the output unit. Can you people give me some examples of output unit? Yes, you are correct. The monitor, the printer, the projector are some of the output devices through which the computer system delivers data to the user, that is the processed data. So that's all for now. We will meet in the second part. See ya.